Ariyo, Ariyo. To see you is to rejoice. The word ri simply means to see, and yo means to rejoice, to be full of joy. Ariyo is therefore the child whose seeing brings us joy. Setting my eyes upon you alone is a reason to rejoice. To see you is to rejoice, meaning you are an object of joy. In fact, you are the personification of joy himself. An Ariyo is a child who was produced by joy and a child who also produces joy. Ariyo, Ariyo, là ń rí ọmọ tuntun. When eyes are set upon a newly born child, we rejoice. This is the forever reality of anybody to whom this name has been given. Ariyo, Aridunu, I am full of joy whenever I set my eyes upon you. That is the meaning of that Oriki, the child who causes joy. Wàá Ṣere.